In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image to the header in Wix, whether you're enhancing your website's design with your logo, a visually engaging banner, or a graphic that represents your brand. Adding an image to your header is a simple yet impactful way to make your site stand out. Wix, with its user-friendly tools, makes this process straightforward and accessible for beginners and experienced users alike. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to customize your website's header with the perfect image that aligns with your brand's personality. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first. You'll need to open the Wix website editor. If you're not already logged into your Wix account, head over to the Wix website and log in. Once you're logged in, navigate to your site from the Wix dashboard. On the dashboard, you'll see the Edit Site button. Go ahead and click on that. This will open the Wix Editor where all the magic happens. The Wix Editor is where you can make changes, customize your content, and truly make your site your own. Now that you're in the editor, take a look at the left-hand side of your screen here. You'll find a vertical toolbar that contains several options. Locate the option labeled Media. You can identify it by its small picture icon. Once you've found it, click on it. This will open up the Media panel, where you can manage your images, videos, and other media files. The Media panel is essentially your go-to space for all things visual on your website. If you've already selected or created an image for your header, click on the Upload Media button. This option allows you to bring in your own files directly from your computer. A new window will pop up, and here's the easiest part. Simply drag and drop the image you want to use into this window. Wix will upload the file for you, and you'll see it appear in the media library. If you don't already have an image on hand, no worries. Wix offers an incredible collection of free images. To explore these, select the Free Wix Images option. Browse through the collection and find an image that suits your brand's style or conveys the message you want for your website. When you find one you like, click to select it. Once your image is uploaded or selected, it's time to adjust its size. To resize the image, click on it. You'll notice small handles appear around the edges of the image. Simply click and drag these handles to adjust the size until it fits your needs. You can make the image larger or smaller depending on the design you're going for. Wix makes resizing straightforward so you can fine-tune it with ease. After resizing, it's time to position your image in the header section. To do this, click on the image and drag it into the header area. The header section is the top part of your website that typically appears on every page. You can place your image wherever it looks best, whether you want it centered, aligned to one side, or spanning the entire width of the header. Simply drag it to your desired location. Continue adjusting the size and position until everything looks just right. Take a moment to step back and evaluate how the image fits within the overall aesthetic of your site. Does it complement your design? Does it align with the other elements on your page? Keep tweaking until the image blends seamlessly into your header and enhances your website's visual appeal. And that's it. You've successfully added an image to your header in Wix. It's a simple process, but one that can make a big difference in how professional and polished your website looks. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.